Hi viewer, I welcome you to Edim TV. It is the station where you watch and learn. I'll be taking you through Geography Form 4, lesson number 12. The topic it is fishing. I'm your tutor, Lucy Modoni. Welcome. Today's lesson goes, we are going to look at the Pacific fishing ground. Remember we said that the main areas that we are going to look at as the fishing grounds, we have the Atlantic fishing ground and also Pacific fishing ground, then fishing grounds in Africa. So we start by looking at the Pacific fishing ground. When we talk about the Pacific fishing ground, it is further divided into two. That is the Northwest Pacific fishing ground and Northeast Pacific fishing ground. Let us look at each at a time. The Northwest Pacific fishing ground. It is the largest fishing ground in the world. The Northwest Pacific fishing ground. It is located off the coast of the Northeast Asia, extending from the Bering Sea through the Sea of Okhotsk, Sea of Japan, Yellow Sea, up to the East China Sea, through the foreign countries, Japan, China, Indonesia, North and South Korea. We also have eastern coast of Russia. All those are the countries where you go and get the Northwest Pacific fishing ground. The main species that are caught in the Northwest Pacific fishing ground is salmon, tuna, bonito, mackerel, sardine, cod, and pork. If I tell you look at this one very keenly, you're going to get those areas where now we have the Northwest Pacific fishing ground. That is the Japan, mainly Japan. You can be able to see the indented coastline. We can also be able to see the ocean current and the warm current where they are converging. You can also be able to see the Liman-Kon current and Onyashio current. All those ones they are there. Kuroshio current, it is still there. All those are the factors that will favor the fishing ground in Northwest Pacific fishing ground. Let us look at the factors. I've already mentioned them. We have touched on them. One, we have the broad, shallow, extensive continental shelf. What is the purpose for this one? Growth of the plankton. Remember the shallowness will arouse the sunlight. Extensive continental shelf, meaning that it has a large area for the growth of the plankton. Then we have the convergence of cold Oyashio and warm Kuroshio current. And remember we said where the two currents converge, there is the upwelling, where now we have the growth of the planktons, and also the fish are brought to that place. They are upward. They are brought upward. Then we also have dense population. When you look at Japan, when you look at the China, all these countries are populated. So as a result, now they provide the ready market that is required. Then we also have the indented Northeast Asian coastline, which provide good site for the breeding of the fish. Then we have the advanced technology. Both Japan, China, they have the highest advanced technology in the world. So as a result, they are also investing in fishing that technology. Next, the rugged landscape. This rugged landscape discourages other economic activity, making fishing the main. Then let us go to the Northeast Pacific fishing ground. It is located along the western shores of North America. That stretches about 1,200 kilometers from Alaska, that is the Alaska coast, USA, southwards through the British Caribbean, that is Canada, to the California coast, it is still USA, through the Washington, D.C., and Oregon states. Fishing is done along the major rivers in this region. Remember, we have the Great Sea and the St. Lawrence River. The main fish that is caught in this place, it is the tuna herrings. You have the tuna, we also have the herrings, we also have the pork and Alaska. And the other fisheries are, we have the crabs, we also have the oysters and prawns. Let us look at where they are. You can be able to see Alaska, where it is. You can be able to see the Russia, Canada, and those areas are the main areas where we have the fishing in the Northeast Pacific fishing ground. Those are the main areas. Still, you can see the coastline, the way it looks like. You can also see the extensive coastline. All that is there. Let us look at it. Now, what are the factors that have favored the development of the Northeast Pacific fishing ground? One, we have the indented coastline. This one favors the breeding of the fish, since it provides a well-sheltered breeding site. Then we also have cool waters due to the high altitude favors the growth of the planktons. Remember also that one was the first characteristics for the growth of the fish. Then the next one we said the convergence of cold California and warm Labrador currents. This one means there is the upwelling. Fish are brought upwards. And also in this area the fertility is high. So as a result, we have the fish growth. The area is free from ice all year round. This area, they never experience the snow cover, the ice cover. So as a result, the fishing is carried out throughout the area. Then we have the advanced fishing technology. Assignment or activity. Explain 4 factors that have favored the development of Northwest Pacific fishing ground. And 4 factors that favors the Northeast Pacific fishing ground. For more information, you can visit the KLB 2003 Secondary Geography Student Book Form, that edition. For more information, you can get us through SMSing us to the number. You can also get us through the YouTube. You can also get us through the Facebook. And you can Twitter us. Stay tuned to Erin TV. Thank you.